The delivery man was going to deliver the food to the cow. But he was very tired. So he was resting under a big mango tree on the side of the road. At that time, a devil monkey came. The monkey came and ate all the food. Seeing this, the cow said, "Why did you eat all my food? How will I deliver it now?" But the monkey ran away from there without giving any answer. Then, the cow, unable to find any way out, went back to its owner crying. To make the sad cow happy, everyone like and subscribe, friends. Your one subscription will make the cow happy.